Hello everyone, and welcome to the first video in our series Navigating Your Career Path with Professor Bandyopadhyay. Can you recall the first ever time you thought about a career? It was probably when you were a child, telling your parents you want to become an astronaut or a doctor. However, as we grew up, the realities of life made us realize that our careers are not just a fantasy, but a reality we have to live with for the rest of our lives. Today, we have with us Professor Som Prakash Bandyopadhyay, founder director of the Center for Career and Life Design Counseling. Professor Bandyopadhyay is a former professor of IIM Calcutta, IIT Kharagpur, and IIT Bombay, having more than 40 years of diverse experience spanning multiple disciplines, both in academia and industry. So, sir, my first question to you is, what motivated you to create this center?
Well, my motivation to create this center comes from the realization that we all must seek answer to a very traditional question: what should I do with my life? Rather than asking what should I choose as my career. And it goes beyond philosophical inquiry. It demands practical, actionable answer to guide individuals in shaping their life effectively. And hence the question, how do we design your life? Inspired by Stanford University's Designing Your Life program, we have developed a methodology based on design thinking that helps individuals design a rewarding and meaningful life and career. So, the objective of our center is to empower you with this methodology to design your life along with planning for your career.
I understand, sir. So, how should we figure out what to choose as our career?
You know, as a teacher, I have seen students and professionals struggle with one-track thinking, focusing solely on career choices without considering the broader context of their life. For example, the question like, should I study biotechnology or computer science? Or should I go for BBA or LLB? Or is it a good idea to quit my job to pursue MBA? These are important questions, no doubt. But the way we plan careers today is often too much focused on landing a specific job or hitting short-term goals. Instead, we must think about bigger pictures of living a fulfilling and meaningful life. Certain stereotypes often shape and dictate our career choice. People often pick careers based on what's popular or pays well, not on what truly makes them happy or aligns with their values. This can lead to dissatisfaction and lack of direction in the long run.
But, sir, most of us have followed the same template of career planning all of our lives. Were we wrong this whole time?
In fact, traditional career planning is increasingly at risk due to changes brought about by things like artificial intelligence, shift in the economy, and global political decisions. If we only focus on current job market, we might feel stuck or disappointed when things change. But if we think of career planning as part of our life planning, it's more reliable since it's grounded in personal values, strengths, and competencies. By aligning our careers with what's truly important to us, we can build a satisfying and long-lasting journey. So, combining life planning with career decisions help us not only succeed professionally, but also lead a meaningful and fulfilling life. And that's what we call designing a life you care to live.
Thank you so much, sir, and thanks to everyone who tuned in to watch this video today. If these questions provoked some thought, then make sure to check out our next video where we discuss how to escape the trap of traditional career planning.